Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix fail to receive platform SIPT error in League of Legends.
Fix 1. Restart your PC and Client Step 1. Close League of Legends completely. Step 2. Open Task Manager, Control plus Shift plus Escape, and end any LOL or Riot processes. Step 3. Restart your PC. Step 4. Launch League of Legends again. Fix 2. Run as Administrator. Step 1. Right, click the League of Legends shortcut. Step 2. Select Run as Administrator. Step 3. Check if the error is gone. Fix 3. Disable firewall/antivirus temporarily. Step 1. Open your firewall or antivirus settings. Step 2. Temporarily disable it. Step 3. Launch League of Legends. Step 4. If it works, add LOL and Riot Client as exceptions. Fix 4. Repair League of Legends. Step 1. Open Riot Client. Step 2. Go to Settings, League of Legends, initiate full repair. Step 3. Wait for repair to complete and relaunch the game.